Hey everybody, this is Julie Quinn, and I wanted to give you a video tour on how to find your feedback for your diagnostic. So I am in the class and I am in my student identity. Okay, so you won't see any other classmates' grades. This is just my test student. But imagine you go in just like this. So right now I'm on the home page. If I was a student, you just click on grades. Note, there's feedback here, but not an actual grade attached to the diagnostic. So you'll see out of 0, there is no grade. So there's no score. It's just, did you do it? Check. Okay. So the way that you can find this information is you can certainly click on the rubric, or you can click into the diagnostic essay and you can find all the data in there. Here's how you do it. Click on the title. On the left-hand side, you will see, how long it took you to do the attempt and the article itself. And you would see your response here. This is my student sample, and under my student sample, the test student did not submit a response, but just imagine that they did. There's 2 places to get feedback. You get the little general blurb of feedback right here with my recommendation, and so you'll see that my recommendation in the sample is that the student stays in the course. Then I want you to click Show Rubric. So when you expand this rubric, you can see how I want to actually, I wonder if I can expand this even further. Let's see. You may have to sort of use the little horizontal bar here to go back and forth, but you can see content of the summary. I said for the student that make sure to expand ideas. And of course there would be more feedback there. An interesting response. Sometimes there'll just be a few words of commentary here. I'm not writing in full sentences or in full paragraphs. It just depends on notes, like good job, what I see from the student. In this one, under incorporating written materials, I went no author name or title. Under this one, well organized, and under the last one, we'll definitely work on comma use. So you can see how each category was evaluated and how I came up with that overall recommendation. So that's it. I want you to be able to take a look at this and definitely let me know if you have any questions about any recommended placement movement if that was the case. I'll look forward to talking to you guys soon and seeing you later this week.